Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for computer engineering. Begin by building a solid foundation in core subjects such as digital logic, circuit analysis, and programming languages like C++ or Python. Focus on understanding the underlying principles rather than just memorizing facts. Practice regularly with textbook problems and online tutorials to reinforce your learning. This initial phase is crucial for tackling more complex topics later on. Once you have a grasp of the basics, dive into hands-on projects. Building small circuits, programming microcontrollers, or developing software applications will solidify your understanding. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Consider joining a robotics club or contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and expand your portfolio. As you progress, explore advanced topics like embedded systems, computer architecture, and operating systems. Consider specializing in an area that genuinely interests you, whether it's artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or network engineering. Continuous learning is vital in this rapidly evolving field. Read research papers, attend webinars, and follow industry leaders to stay current with the latest advancements and innovations. Finally, prepare for your career by practicing technical interview questions and building a strong resume. Networking with professionals in the field can open doors to internships and job opportunities. Attend career fairs and industry events to connect with potential employers. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot Smart Speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful computer engineer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.